Hello guys, I'm back again. This is Maxwell of Max Obinkan Discoveries. Uh, my earlier video I told you about my yam farm where we are doing land preparation for the yam cultivation, and I showed you how it is done. After a hard day's work, one needs to relax, get something to the tummy. And welcome to our small hut that we have at the farm here. This is a nice farm village, and we are going to prepare food. We are not just going to prepare any kind of food. We are going to prepare a particular type of food which maybe some of you are aware of, maybe some are not aware of. As you can see around, we have plantain. We have plantains here. This is where normally when we come, we are tired, we relax. And we have the palm trees around, and we have cassava. You can see the cassava plant. Those of you don't know cassava plant, this is your cassava plant. You can see your cassava plant. We have all this, but today we are going to pound fufu. And the fufu we are going to pound, we are not going to use cassava, but folks, come, let me show you what we are going to use for the preparation of the yam fufu. So folks, we just went and dug yam. You can see that even the soil is around it. It shows that we just dug it. We are going to use only yam to prepare the fufu. Only yam. Even though we cut this plantain, we are not going to use the plantain. You just have to cut it because we take it home. But we are going to use yam to prepare fufu. So folks, stay tuned, don't go away. Like my channel, subscribe, and I'll teach you how to prepare fufu with only yam. Some they do a mixture of yam and cassava. Some they use cassava and then plantain to prepare the fufu. Fufu is a local food that is in the Ghanaian society that a lot of people like. So we're going to prepare fufu, but this time we're not going to use cassava and plantain. We're going to only use yam. So come and join us as we prepare this meal. Folks, we've started the preparation. We are peeling the yam. This is one of my guys. Hey, my boy. What's up? You are there? Okay, he's peeling the yam so that we'll use it. We'll cook the yam, then we'll pound the fufu with the yam. Now, let's talk a little bit about the yam, so that we'll learn more about the yam as he's peeling it, and then we'll go ahead learn more. It's not just about a few that you may know some of the uses of it, but I want us to learn more. So let's talk to another boy of mine who knows much about the yam as well. Let's talk to him. Isaac, talk to us. So I know of yam, that this is yam. We can use it for some few things. So I want you take us through. That's what we can use the yam for.
As you have already introduced the yam and how it is prepared.
Okay.
Yam. We are preparing it for food. After peeling it like this, we chop it into pieces and then we put it on the fire. Put it on the fire for about 10 minutes. It will be ready for pounding. Therefore, yam, when we are talking about uses of yam can be used for several examples, like you can use yam for local kunkwente the konkonte TZ we used to eat. You can also use yam for. Okay. And again, wasa wasa, local food called wasa wasa. Tubani, we use yam for tubani wasa wasa. The peel too is also good for organic manure. When you dump it in a good place for about 3 weeks to 1 month, and you plant a crop there, it looks very rich. And also, when you are again, you can use yam for slice, a correct slice.
Okay, so if I get you right, apart from the normal things you cook, we know of some people use it for the wasawasa you talked about, the tubani. Please, folks, these are local names. So tubani, wasawasa, and the rest. So a lot of people may know of the yam slices you talked about, maybe yam porridge. But how is this yam fufu that we're about to prepare quite different from that of the cassava?
Fine. This one, the cassava is too starchy. Yam is mild starchy.
Okay.
Starch is moderate.
Okay.
The starch in yam food is moderate.
Okay.
So it's quite different from cassava.
Okay.
And then cassava too is having ropes inside. There are some fibers in cassava, but yam doesn't have those fibers.
Wow, beautiful. Okay, so now let's get back to he has finished peeling the yam. It's now washing it to put it on the fire for us so that we'll pound fufu. Folks, I'll invite you to come and join us when we start the fufu. Okay. Yes, our yam is already on fire, and we're about to see whether it is well cooked so that we take it off and go and start our pounding. So open and let's see. Yes, the yam is well boiled. So let's take it off and then we're going to start the pounding. Okay, as you can see, our bush meat beside it. That's what we use to prepare our soup. So folks, come and join me. We're about to prepare yam fufu. This is a local yam fufu from a natural source. We just dug the yam and just about to start our yam pounding. So this is a farm village, a small farm village that we normally, when we come here we come to the farm and we are tired and we are hungry, we prepare our meals here and eat. So hey, come and join us. We're going to prepare our yam fufu. This is the mortar that we used here, and then the pistols, they are bringing everything out. Wow. This is the pistol. Hey, folks, come and join us. Come and join us. Let's enjoy this fufu. We're about to start. So the yam is ready for pounding, so he's putting it into the mortar. This is how it is done.
Okay.
Isaac is seriously pounding the fufu. So we can see the pounding of the yam fufu going on. One thing about this yam fufu is that when you boil yam and the yams is boiled, you don't pour the water or the contents away. The water that was used, it is added to the pounding so that it makes the fufu softer quickly. So we are busy on the farm pounding our fufu. Come and let us enjoy it. Oh, folks out there, you miss this kind of diet. You go to your farm and you just cook at the farm, then eat. The taste is quite different from eating from your own home. And this is how we pound yam fufu here and any other fufu also. Folks, I'll invite you when it's ready. So he has just poured the liquid contents into it, the water that was used to boil the yam into it, because they just want the yam to the pounding to be softer. It shouldn't be hard. This is what is done, and it will be in shape. The fufu will be ready very, very soon. Our yam fufu is ready now. The pounding is now over, so it's now coming to move the yam fufu, then put it into our bowl. See, we can eat also. One thing about yam fufu is that even no matter how small the yam is that you boil, you cannot finish eating, because it's really you get a lot of things coming out of it in terms of I don't know how to the right word to use for it. It becomes very big. Just a small quantity of yam you cook and it swells up. You see how big it is. This is the yam fufu. This fufu is made up of yam, not any other thing. Come on. You can see it now. Please folks, come. Our soup is ready. So we're about to start. Come and join us. Let us enjoy this fufu. Folks, our fufu is ready. And we're about to start. Come and join us. And let's enjoy it. This is yam fufu. And oh Lord, bless this food for us. Amen. Guys, I'm starting. Come and let's enjoy the yam fufu. Folks, as I start enjoying my yam fufu, come your way another time. This is your brother Maxwell of Max Ubinkan Discoveries. See you